Hi, I'm Jenna, and today I am in my kitchen. I have a special guest.
Me, Lainey. I'm Jenna's sister.
So today we are going to be making cookies. Hope you enjoy.
Yeah. Our white whole wheat flour. We have our all-purpose flour. We have our sugar, our eggs, and our cream cheese.
Next we have some butter, salt, baking soda, vanilla extract, and
Cream of tartar.
And we also have a couple measurements.
We have 1 cup, half cup, and 1/4 cup.
And 1 teaspoon and 1/8 of a teaspoon. The first step is
Wash your hands. Okay, so now we're ready to mix all our ingredients together. First, we're going to preheat our oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. And now we're going to start on the cookies. What you need to do first is take your butter, you get a small bowl, and your cream cheese. Your cream cheese, you're going to need to cut down. So 4 ounces is just in the middle. It will say on your cream cheese, don't worry. Can you cut this to 4 ounces? Cut it, please. So here's our 4 ounces of cream cheese. And now Jenna is going to unwrap the butter. And it's 1 stick of butter. So you need 1 stick of butter and 4 ounces of cream cheese. Or 8 ounces of butter. No, 8 tablespoons of butter, sorry. Put it into a bowl. And we're gonna put our cream cheese.
And now we are going to use the microwave to soften these.
We have our melted cream, well, not melted, our softened cream cheese, and the butter kind of melted, but it's fine. And so now we're gonna add our cream cheese. And we're gonna add our butter. This is our butter. I'm gonna grab a spoon to get all the butter out.
Now we are going to mix.
Yay!
So now I'm going to add the sugar, which is 1 3/4 cups. So
1 cup and 3/4 cup.
now that we added the sugar, we are going to add the baking soda. We need 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Okay. Let's get our baking soda. We just had this little box that opens up. Oopsies. Okay, we have our baking soda. Let's pour it in. We're gonna need this again.
Okay, so we added the baking soda. Now we're going to add the cream of tartar, and we are going to add 1 teaspoon of that.
Yep. We're just reusing our teaspoon. Let's open it. How much? Just one of these? Okay, we have our teaspoon of cream of tartar. And put it in the bowl.
Now we need to add salt. So we need 1/8 of salt.
The 1/8 is the smallest, I believe. Let's pour it on. We're doing it over the sink, so should we spill? Ooh.
That was perfect, Lainey.
Okay, we have our 1/8 teaspoon. Boing. Okay, now
we mix.
Now we mix.
Now we are going to put in some egg yolks.
Yolks? Just yolks?
And vanilla.
Okay, so we don't need a full egg. We just need the yolks.
While she's doing that, because I don't know how to do that, I'm going to do the vanilla.
Yep. Okay, we need just 1/8 or a teaspoon.
We just need...
Oh, we need half. So we didn't get the half teaspoon out. You, as well, you need a half teaspoon.
Crack your egg, and you do it so that you keep the yolk in one of them. You just kind of let it go up, and when you switch to the other one, okay, and then you got your yolk. Put your yolk over there.
Okay, now we have our egg yolks, and you can ask an adult to help you with those because they're kind of hard. Now we're moving on to our flours.
This is a drink packaging.
We need a half cup of our white whole wheat flour. We need 1 cup and 1/4.
We need 1/2 of the white whole wheat flour.
The flour. And our other 1/4. Add this. And our other 1/4 of our regular flour. So we added our half cup of white whole wheat flour. We added our cup and 1/4, 1 cup and 1/4 of our regular flour. Now, do we mix?
Yep.
So we're gonna mix. First turning it on low. All off the mixer part, because
So I'm gonna get a pan.
get a pan, Jenna.
Alexa, set timer for 13 minutes.
13 minutes, starting now.
Thank you guys so much for watching us make cookies.